Good evening, students. Hope you all are fine, healthy, happy. Today, especially for class 10, still some students may have the doubts in their mind regarding maths basic and maths standard. So, a few things I would like to clear right now. I have already taken a meeting in the month of February with the parents, and most of the things I have cleared. But still, I think there may be a doubt in the mind of the students or maybe in the parents. So let me make all the things clear. First thing I would like to say about maths standard, 10th standard. Last year CBSE has introduced this system that 10th standard maths will have two types of maths, standard and basic. What is the purpose of this? The main purpose is CBSE has observed that in 10th standard, students' overall result is good, but only for the subject maths, students may have to face certain problems. Students' result is not satisfactory, and by chance if student is not clearing the subject maths, his or her future may be in the question mark. So just for one subject like maths, a student may have to suffer. So CBSE got the solution of this, that instead of keeping same maths, let's divide the mathematics. So CBSE has divided the maths of 10th standard into two parts, maths basic and maths standard. Now first, who can take maths standard? There is no criteria for a particular student that this student can take or this cannot take. All can take. It's not about result of 9. Even if you just pass in 9th standard, you can take maths standard in 10th standard. Remember, maths standard comparatively value point of view has more value. And maths basic, I cannot say less value, but comparatively I think opportunities may be little less. So first I will talk about maths standard. The students who are very good in mathematics from first day, from the day one of the school till now, the students who are getting good marks, more than 80 marks, especially in class 8 and class 9, and students who like the mathematics subject too much, willing to just go for maths, they can go for maths standard. The students who are very good in mathematics, they like the mathematics subject a lot, can go for mathematics standard in class 10. Second thing, the students who want to go in engineering line, this is very important point. The students who wants to go in engineering line after 12th standard, they must take the maths standard. If you take maths standard, then only you can go to engineering line, otherwise not possible. Now what are the disadvantages of maths standard? Maths standard, 10th standard maths, if you take standard, the question paper will be little difficult. I mean to say, syllabus is same, no separate textbook is there, textbook will be same for basic also, for standard also. But in board exam, the question paper of standard will be difficult one. And the students who willing to go in medical line after 10, if you take 11 science and if you want to go for medical line or commerce or diploma, better avoid maths standard and go to maths basic. Maths standard is good for those students who are very good, very excellent in maths and who willing to go to engineering line. Maths standard, I mean to say, if you have taken maths standard, all the options are open for you. Suppose after 10th standard I want to take medical line, maths standard you can take, allowed. If you want to go for commerce, allowed. If you want to go to diploma, allowed. Every line is open to you after maths standard. But the only problem is in the board exam, maths standard paper will be little bit difficult. Now maths basic. Basic means in the board exam the question paper will be easy. Syllabus is same, no separate textbook is there. Textbook is also same, basic and standard. But annual exam, board exam, question paper will be easy. Maths basic I am talking about. In 11th standard, if you want to go in science, you cannot take the maths. You cannot take the maths. Only you are allowed to go for medical line or you are allowed to take the biology. If you have taken maths basic. If you have taken maths standard, all things are allowed, all options are allowed. But if you want to take the basic, options are open, all one option will be closed. That is, in 11th science, you are not allowed to take the maths. Commerce you can take, biology in science also you can take, diploma you can go. But only problem is that you are not allowed to go to engineering line. Question paper is easy in basic, question paper will be difficult in standard. My suggestion will be, if you are wonderful in mathematics, you have a very good confidence, then go for standard. And if you are not sure about your maths, your result is average or below average, then go for basic. Okay. One more thing, still CBSE is planning to do. CBSE सोच रहा है नेक्स्ट ईयर में भी हो भी सकता है, अभी श्योर नहीं है, उनका प्लानिंग चल रहा है कि वो 11 और 12 में भी बेसिक और स्टैंडर्ड कर देंगे. यानी क्या होगा, अगर 10th में आपने स्टैंडर्ड लिया है, मैथ स्टैंडर्ड, तो 11 में आप स्टैंडर्ड भी ले सकते हैं मैथ्स और बेसिक भी ले सकते हैं, अगर आपको मैथ्स 11-12 में लेना है तो. बायोलॉजी लेना है, मेडिकल लाइन में जाना है तो कोई इश्यू ही नहीं है. मैं बेसिक और स्टैंडर्ड की बात कर रहा हूँ जिनको इंजीनियरिंग लाइन में जाना है. तो 10th में आपने स्टैंडर्ड लिया है तो 11 में आप स्टैंडर्ड भी ले सकते हैं, बेसिक भी ले सकते हैं. नाउ शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट आई वुड लाइक टू से, शॉर्ट में बता रहा हूँ, कन्फ्यूजन ना हो. CBSE 11-12 में बेसिक लाए या स्टैंडर्ड लाए या फिर नॉर्मल मैथ्स हो, कहाँ पे आपको स्टैंडर्ड लेना है और कहाँ पे आपको बेसिक लेना है. अगर आपका मैथ्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मतलब यू आर वेरी गुड इन मैथ्स, आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है, आपका परफेक्ट जो फंडामेंटल बेसिक थिंग्स मैथ्स की है वो बेस्ट है, कॉन्स्टेंटली आपके मार्क्स अच्छे आ रहे हैं, देन गो फॉर मैथ्स स्टैंडर्ड. अगर आपको इंजीनियरिंग लाइन में जाना ही है आफ्टर 11 and 12, गो फॉर स्टैंडर्ड. ना अगर आपको डॉक्टरी लाइन में जाना है, बेटर टू गो फॉर बेसिक. अगर आपको कॉमर्स में जाना है, डिप्लोमा में जाना है या कोई और लाइन में जाना है आफ्टर 10th, देन गो फॉर बेसिक. स्टिल यू हैव द डाउट, मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, बाई चांस आपने स्टैंडर्ड लिया और 10th में पेपर हार्ड आता है, और अगर ना, मे बी आई डोंट प्रे फॉर दैट ऑल्सो, और अगर सपोज आप फेल हो गए 10th में तो फिर यू विल रिग्रेट अ लॉट. बेसिक लिया आपने, पेपर इजी आएगा, पास हो गए, कम से कम आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. ओके. So last line conclusion I would like to say, those who wants to go in engineering line, better to, not better, compulsory go for maths standard. And other than engineering line, maths basic is advisable. Maths basic and maths standard syllabus is same, textbook is same, only question paper in the board exam will be different. Maths standard hard, maths basic easy. Those who wants to go in engineering line, you have to take the maths standard. Other than engineering line, medical line or commerce or any other line, you should take the basic. But this is only my suggestion. Ultimate decision parents will take for you, students. This is only my suggestion. And one more thing, today's this lecture is just based on current information. CBSE keeps on changing the scenarios system. So in future or nearby future, if CBSE is going to bring few changes in basic or standard or any other thing, then definitely I myself will update you people and your parents also. Okay, my humble request, you also keep in touch with CBSE website as well as current news also. Okay, we need the cooperation of each every person, so that I think whatever future that your parents have expected from you students will definitely achieve that. The target will be achieved. Hope for the best and pray to Almighty. Thank you very much. Have a very good day.